Today we'll be making wonton soup and fried wontons. They are popular Chinese dishes and perfect anytime. The fried wontons offer a crispy bite and they are perfect as an appetizer. You can also combine both wontons and now it becomes war wonton soup. Let's get started. First, we want to slice about 2 bunches of green onions. We need half cup for the wonton. Then we chop our garlic. We need 1 teaspoon garlic. Put 750 grams already peeled and deveined shrimp in the food processor. Add white pepper, salt, sesame oil, sugar, chicken powder, chopped garlic and Shaoxing wine, and grind until it becomes like a paste. Wonton is very versatile. You can use a combination of shrimp with ground chicken or shrimp with ground pork, and you can grind it until it's like a paste, or you can make it chunkier. So it is all a personal preference. Take the shrimp out of the food processor and add sliced green onion. I have several wonton wrapper here. For wonton soup, I really like the Chen Chen brand and it has a slight chew to it. For fried wontons, these brands taste almost the same. There are many ways to wrap wontons. I like to make it simple, just fold, push, and squeeze. This is another way, just squeeze. You can also make it really plump like this one. Look at this. Just squeeze at the end. Heat up oil in the pan and fry your wontons until golden brown. If you enjoyed my video, please hit that like and subscribe button to help support and grow this channel. To all my subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. Pour 2 cans of chicken broth in a pan. Add half cup water, salt and pepper to taste. When it boils, add our wontons. When the wontons float, they are done. You can serve the wonton soup with sliced green onion, or what I really like is to add the fried wontons and make it war wonton soup. You can also add some vegetables like bok choy if you like. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.